Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we'll show you how to upload videos on YouTube using mobile phone. First, you'll have to go and open your YouTube application, then click on the plus sign on the bottom middle side. Just tap on this plus icon, and now you'll have the option to do more than one thing. You can add a video like this one right here. You can add a short. You can go live if you need. You can post something on YouTube. But here in my case, I just simply want to upload a video. So I will click on video just right here. Then I'll go for this one here, for example. If you want to continue, simply click on next. You can even edit it into a short. So I will click on next. Then here you can see add the description. You can make it visible or public to all of your audience. You can make it unlisted or private. You can schedule it. So you may be able to make it visible on a specific day or specific date. Now I will go back. You can add it to playlists, add the location, allow video and audio remixing, add paid promotion label. You can enable or disable the comments. And once you're all done, simply click on next. You can even add the title here. So here I will type Hajj, for example, because you are in the Adha feast. Simply click on next. And now you'll have to select the audience. No, it is not made for kids. Just simply click on upload video. And now the video is being uploaded. Simply click on the video itself. Okay, now it's totally uploaded. If you want to do some edits to it, you can simply click on these three lines on the right side, then click on delete upload and click on delete if you want to delete the video. And that's all for today. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.